Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thank you so very much for joining me once again. And as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. The sun is shining up in the sky, bringing us warmth, shining its warmth on all of us. And as you can hear, the snow is starting to melt. As you can see too, the snow is starting to melt. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Enjoying the warm weather. And the releasing, the letting go, the transmuting of the heavy energies from the winter. Let this be an opportunity for you to do the same. Any dark spots within you, where you need the light to go, where you need the light to shine, where you need the light to melt away the heavy energies, to let that light back in so you can fully align even more with the loving light soul being that you are. This is the time. Look up at that sun. And just rest.